Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're comparing two popular website builders, which is Webflow and Squarespace. Both platforms offer powerful tools for building stunning websites, but they cater to different needs and skill levels. The question remains, which is going to be the best for you? So we will look at their features, ease of use, design flexibility, and pricing to help you make the right choice. Let's begin. Webflow is a powerful web design and development platform that allows users to create responsive, visually stunning websites without needing to write a code. Basically, it's an all-in-one tool that combines design, development, and hosting, making it popular among designers, marketers, and small businesses who wants to control over their website without the complexity of a traditional web development. If you're curious to know about the pricing, just click this button. You would notice that the site offers a free account, which is good. For getting started with Webflow, you'll have all these limited features for you. If you wanted to scale up, you might want to try the basic, comes at $14. You will have all these. The CMS, which is $23 per month, can give you all these perks and benefits. The business at $39, which is good for larger sites. You have a custom domain, 300 pages, and a lot more. And the enterprise is something that you might want to consider booking a discovery call or scheduling a demo, because it's a big commitment that I highly suggest you go test the waters by clicking this free option. If you go to the e-commerce, they have the standard at $29, the plus at $74, the advanced at $212. All right, let's click this button right here. You would be forwarded to this option wherein all you have to do is sign in using your Google account, or you can use your own email by just following the on-screen instructions. After that, you will be forwarded here. Click on continue. Now, are you a freelancer, agency, company, or myself? Just click on the myself for now. I'm going to click on continue. And you would be forwarded to the main dashboard, which one of the key features here in Webflow. Now, once you are here on the main dashboard, you might want to click the create a new site. You can click the blank site, build a custom site from scratch, or start with a design that fits your need. You would be forwarded here, and where you can choose from the free and paid. But obviously, we're going to use the free for now, because obviously we don't have the much option if we have a free account. So you can choose any of the following which you think best suits your preferences and liking, or the one that represents your logo or brand and identity. But click on the preview and template. If you feel that this is going to be the website for you, you can use this template. All right, click on the create a site. Just wait for a moment, and you would notice that it automatically optimizes the websites for different devices such as desktop, tablet, and mobile once the interface has been loaded. You see that? It'll take a little while. One of the best features for me using Webflow is the visual drag and drop section here in the left side panel of your dashboard, which kind of feels like a Photoshop, right? The dashboard looks like a Photoshop, and from here you can add sections, navigation, and the CMS content. All right, so you have all these options for you. The CMS provides the dynamic content like blogs, portfolios, and product listings. Users can now create custom content types of articles like gallery and a collection, managing them easily here on Webflow. It's very easy thing to do. That's why I really like creating and working stuff here using Webflow. Now, if we go over to our next contender, which is Squarespace, is a website builder and a content management CMS that allows users to create professional websites without the needing for coding skills. Now, all you have to do is click the Get Started button on the upper right corner so you can start to create something here on Squarespace. All you have to do is just follow the on-screen instructions. You have steps out of 3, and then you should receive a welcome email from Squarespace that you have successfully created your account. And from here, just click this button so you can move to the dashboard. Now, one of the key features of Squarespace is the drag and drop button. Click the account dashboard. Create a website from scratch. Squarespace offers a wide variety of high-quality templates that are responsive in terms of mobile-friendly and professional design. All you have to do is choose from any of the following. For example, this new home builders. You can start with a simple design using the templates right here. You can fully customize it later. Click the Start with this design. Wait for it while Squarespace is building up and setting things for you. Now, the best thing that I found here in Squarespace is the ability for the drag and drop option. Once the interface is loaded, you just have to click the edit section here, wherein it will allow you to easily design websites by dragging and dropping elements like text, images, and videos. How? You see there's going to be an add block here. You can drag text. All right, add block. You can add image if you want. And of course, you can add videos and a lot of the options here on Squarespace. There is like a paintbrush icon on the upper right corner where it says site styles. If you click that, you should be able to change the themes for headings, font size, and colors, and the buttons for your website. You also have the option for the desktop view and the mobile view. Basically, they offer a different orientation, so you might want to check that all the elements are well put together, be it the mobile and the desktop platform. If once you're happy with that, click on save. And now our verdict is that you simply choose Squarespace if you're looking for something that offers a solid set of built-in features like blogging right here. All right. E-commerce, analytics, and integrations with social media. Squarespace is really great for small business websites, blogs, and portfolios with simpler requirements, including e-commerce, but lacks the level of customization. Now you choose Webflow if you are an advanced user who need custom animations, interactions, and deeper level of control, including e-commerce functionality, CMS, and the ability to build custom features, and also a built-in hosting and CMS, plus integrations with APIs. But ultimately, Webflow and Squarespace are both powerful website builders, although they cater to different audiences and use cases. Ultimately, the decision comes to your needs, goals, and budget. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.